89.9 Plus.
The Showbiz Morning Show is AM Plus here on 89.9.
Tossing of the coin. Let's do tossing of the coin right now. So Mel, do that behind the scenes for me.
89.9 Plus.
The Showbiz Morning Show is AM Plus here on 89.9. The Showbiz Morning Show is AM Plus here on 89.9.
Okay, so the tossing is done. Tossing up the confirm your readiness for me. So already we are live on Periscope. Log on to Nana Otujando. Watch everything in video right here on 89.9. Now, Arnold, how ready are you?
Yeah, ever ready, super ready.
Okay.
Multi ready, you know what I mean?
You using your stopwatch.
Yeah, I have my stopwatch.
Okay.
I mean, those of you having your cameras, you can see it's on 00000.
Yeah.
So we're ready to go, man.
Nice one. Thank you so much. Now turn the microphone once again to Prime Staff. Now the first session will be freestyle. Without any instrumental, or better still, let me call it a cappella. The first session is a cappella without any instrumental. Now, this is how we're doing it. You have a maximum of 3 minutes. A maximum of 3 minutes. If you're able to exhaust all the 3 minutes, that is good for you. If you think you get somewhere and you want to end it, you tell us you are ending it, and we are also good to go. So maximum of 3 minutes. That is what everybody's phone should be on silent. Those who are recording, take proper positions, because you know this is rap. Rap, remove our hands. We don't want anybody to we don't want you to make anybody stiff here in his movement. So first, we are going for the first 3 minutes. Like we're saying, you have 3 minutes at your disposal. But if you think after 2 minutes you want to rest it, cool, we are good to go. But if you want to do, you can do. If you think you can do the full stretch of the 3 minutes, again, we are good to go. So first is an a cappella version, freestyle, or you can call it anyway. We are good to go. And we are starting with the man, Prime Staff. Prime Staff, ready to go.
1, 2, mic check. It's Prime Staff. VMI. Get it straight. I make the time bomb flow go tic tac. Round for your life when you hear. You think the rap game just a chit chat? It's about to get ugly in here. I get hot, but I never melt. I'm a pain that you never felt. Do you good, but I'm better best. That's that ring a bell. You can tell. Money and the fame are like Jezebel. Money and issue your bobusia. Freddie used to tell me that all the time. Superstar dome on my mind. Unia. State of the mind is based on rhymes. Close enough to be a star. Killer. Begging on my chest. Prime Zilla. We're going too far to make a stop. Come on. Giving them my all. Gorilla. I'm all in. You all out. What come cease? Better fall out. When I read. No be high grade. With the upgrade. Like hybrid. See what I've seen, be where I've been. I'm a mother, monster, you know. Me rap with diamonds like a gun without trade to the one gun salutes. Music is the best way I express how I feel when I got locked for the rap team, not a pill. But my mom says that should now, but I will. So I do more good stuff. So what's the deal? Chill, it's easier said than done. So them bad boys always on the run, breaking the rules or the meets or the fans. So my action speaks for me like a gun. Going for a minute, back with the rhythm. Just wanna hit it, wanna beat it, wanna get it. Good or better, I'm a go-getter. I'm a grow bigger cause I never say never. PRIMESUFF, I'm the true definition of hip-hop in Ghana. Hello, hi, hit, I'm on to the next with a hip life. I'm ministry ready to fire. See, let it go with no limitation on the road of unlimited possibility. So I walk free with no negativities in my brain, in my heart. Positive things, that's the dreams don't die, just a dream I do. So I'm stuck in the proof just to see it through. Like a bullet in the gun, ready for the shoot. I'm a genie in the lamp, so I go poof, big ups. C4, Chinese God ballers, Spin City, tops and tails, horse strippers, new release, so unique for the era. This is me and this is why I'm so dope. I'm done.
Wow.
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
So, according to my timer, Arnold Elevanyo Mensah, the man prime stuff, how many minutes did he do?
He did 1 minute 38 seconds, 30 microseconds.
Wow. I love that. Arnold, let me record it. 1 minute.
1 minute 38 seconds, 30 microseconds.
38 seconds, 30 microseconds. Okay. And that is what we have scored for the first rap artist here. His name is Prime Stuff. Now we're going for the second one, and that one will surely come from the man Don Ichi. Yes, indeed.
And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, so we're good. And Arnold, are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
For Don Ichi.
Yeah.
Don Ichi, you also have a maximum of 3 minutes. If you think you exhaust your vibes, you tell us and we end it there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go.
All right, yes indeed. Creative Records, Bema Camp in the building. Till Soldier ba adia ba kwa ye chere me never lose. Me be ye battle, me fans time me chi se parachute. O de brofu be huna me apparatus. Na se rap your miracles are from me agabus. Shout outs to Mr. Massive, Sammy Flex and the rest. Time in New Hokra. I beg, make you no vest, make you no long sleeves, make you no singlet. Shout outs to AM Plus for this platform. All right, no beat, make a rap on. Till John. The catch you also from me battle. No, I say thanks. If you say now who trim say Ghana 1 person wakwen. I'm a king, I sit alone, mama boy in the bench. Ebusia penny in kola wo fear, me member tent. David Abu Goliath or bra for bebos ab mallet. Menyem wano say Bill Gates wallet. Come on, bow to your king. Why you no get manners? And just say, yo, bro, yo, dude, na ya digi mames. Like I no go diss you, but you diss me first. Only in Pablo, I'm on Moria, waka king test. Why you me a short say I just smart, shallow thinkers. You wanna ride on my fame? I'm sorry, sinkers. For about I had to go check your YouTube views. 3 years, 3 views. Remember that when you news. After this battle, your manager go dog you. You don't know me, but I know you from Mahama. What's a rapper soon you be a otine banana? Menya sure so be from a battle biom. No, never. Me a hard rapper at your more, menye beggar. Ye real battle na ko lebu ko check BP. Fisa one to she, why you say empty CD? Me who ye ne shi by now, ka se hwe ni TB. Macho chickpea. All right, done. Okay, Tio, you go fit touch my body and mind, but my soul the derby. I am born to win, till what time ya kwechi. Me rap pegi my time futi, wa mu be meti atie. Excuse me to say, me nya diffo so rap to me weni. And you say what dream so ne kati yese fufu 20p. Who they rap? What is rap? Boys ne girls so be asking me. Me na me rap my boys say fine. They shun they smoke the weed, my rap the catcher arm robbers. Call me Ghana police. Ra. Mama meya me de kweku me de peggy. Man be so bebo me bat me too. He wants to fair me. Ronaldinho be ye bio so ndemo sha Messi. 7 years underground I've been released. Are you ready? Rappers abo, mebu say yellow gallon. Navy officer swimming, so nya na fene salmon. I'm not scared of you when you know it, so come on. I'm simple like Chemo, but I got my swag on. Gas, me inflammable, intimate so muches. Nyame von anana kel, ma wujira mobe magic. Futo chatitre, but me burn them for ashes, man a bomb bat, so you can't board me up. I mean it. Mukle me bossu, now some pe competition. Mo rap gidi, media boko otabu preaching. Yes, indeed.
Wow. Okay.
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
Arnold.
Yo.
How many minutes do we have for Don Ichi?
Don Ichi did 2 minutes, 31 seconds, 49 microseconds.
Okay, let me record again. 2 minutes.
2 minutes, 31 seconds, 49 microseconds.
All right, thank you so much. And Double Rich, give me something off what we are about to do. Let's give them some breathing space, even as we go for the second session.
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
To Periscope and type Nana Otujando and experience the Friday bout live in video. You can also be part of this on 89.9 This is National Rap Bout here on 89.9. Remember, this is the first edition. We will be giving you more. And thanks to Reggie Rockstone and the Hammer of the last two senior members, senior citizens in our music industry who have decided to support this. God bless you so much, Reggie Rockstone and the Hammer of the last two. Now we're moving on to the second round of the competition, and of course we are going back to Prime Stuff. This instrumental version will last for 3 minutes once again, and again you have the flow to do whatever you want to do. If it ends, you've ended your rap. If you end, the instrumental will also end, and it goes on like that. 3 minutes once again. Let's go.
Get it? Yeah, you've been more bizarre. No white, on and white. Let me share underground, say PVC pipe. Flow in the rams, muna mubu hype. Michamo type, more like you vibe, Elozu fights. It just be time, mango bugo ripe. Show me fast name the rap, and I'm a last name, me music. Me mama tell it 2 bars, me punch, yes, explosive, me a snunku, exclusive. Chucking out my doses, so should be bisa. Me a cheap rough rapper, me sit down, ye nebisa. Me bubu rap says you, Jack me hear me that. Me spit the low flow to secas. Do me time, me go rap, Samu drip me, Philomena. Smell it, so if I'm like a Sahari and you're looking for somebody to take a Sahari to the next level, that's me. Probably put me to the muke all the time. Yeah, I'm a homie, bomb one thing. Fearing twice before me too. Get up a rap on Tija. I guess I Tija, my rap style. Kakuma, Moby Kim, Atija, making kind send Krata, Maniji Jim Sagrada. Papa let me rap him up. Or pussy premuna. But we know the fear face. Check your sparring date. Your dates are numbered, but my dates are really off the limits. And yeah, madam, yamina dum na drum me rap to me. Me trima you do ask me your pat biggie. Me ye bibi sa mora shambo betitisa. Kamambia one need that drada kosi kosiada. The mama rap to say movie, camera, action, flow to say blue film. What dream me man I say sir. Back to the subject, me you call me elective. Either be addictive to the flow or allergic. You more know me a hectic. One like I said back to with my flow, no be Photoshop. You know go for edit, you had it, I said it. Prime Step, I said it, yeah. Coming through once again, where you bring it on. Prime Step coming through, yeah. 1, 2, straight. Yeah, about to rap, yeah, my bean set my lamb, yo, my bean set my da, my bean set my lazu, boys for talanku, yeah, no, tell them with the new say we bad, meet ya without, mokofana salam. If I ride on the mic like a bike, listen shaibu, do you take the game as your bride? Yes, I do. Don't say, yeah, no, Masani, yes, fine, do with my crew, the dream you knew, yes, and baku, see. Attention, I stand at ease, or MCs. I stand a cure to this ill MCs, sick MCs. For sure, I'm the ONE, your vaccine. Grab a mic, let's check 1, 2. You go believe, yeah. Prime Step coming through, see. You were not born or built to be like us. You can never be like us. You cannot connect with us. So don't even mess with us. We spit 16 shots. You call us 16 bars. We come with lyrical shots. You think that's all we got? Just get yourself together and get your face max. Prime Step, man. 1, 2, coming through. Anytime you want me, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm done.
Wow. Make some noise for Prime Stuff. Silence in the studio. Silence in the studio. Second round.
We did 2 minutes, 48 seconds, 25 microseconds.
Wow. 2 minutes, 48 seconds,
yeah,
25 microseconds. Wow. Thank you so much, Arnold Mese Levanyo, for that one. So that came from the man Prime Stuff.
And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
All right, so getting ready, still in the second round of the bout here on 89.9. You can still log on to Periscope and type Nana Otujando. Watch whatever we are doing live in videos. Now, let's move on to Don Ichi. Yes, indeed. This is your instrumental. You have 3 minutes to do your own thing. Let's go.
Oh, not the same beat. Yes, indeed. All right, there my camp. Tio. Before I went to bed, I prayed to God to take care of me. Washem swama departure me. Akbar Elohi. It's a brand new day. That for the best nim. Or more peme say yeah. My Johnson for mutrim. Father, give me the strength to fight and conquer. My enemies are strong, so make me stronger. My main shots here gidim the USA fonka. My main ma for a de. Yeah, me say onga. Mawu wama me bubu na namatovovo. My enemy mao na konko na dani bobo. Sika inshira manim brate koko. Mami chomu mugu na me boss in the popo. For peace soldier or school me for rap no slapping me. Me pay ye me nimu nisio na mommy be hanging me. Or sort of 24/7 ne charge me. Me really 30 battles na peer to grabbing me. Me da was say want to show my say woman the shows. Na me dem my can for fuck came say no me who goes. Oka I say me try me appear to and I quote. Oka say we who talent so me the new overdose. Woman the gingy baby Satan no sing there. Sikanate patuka koto. TV so they me panic pass a road safety advert. Moya madum maminya dom say fake pastors. Now the name they go, but where did they go? Empty promises from people after every show. Don't it my bro, me see munya no. Suminim say I feel way the nyanko pombe yo. Cinema koswa rapo, I'm not giving up. Hoping send me no my basso. Nadia making that parko. My tampo, my joke, me ya me no my parko. I'm still on itchy back home. Yo, I say man to the biani itchy to the rap. Itchy way you done, you the murder every crack. Itchy way you me phone and kanyadia me ya swap. Itchy way you me mojang kamin donate blood. Itchy way you say, way you say me te da. Itchy ding wa be kwai, o sege na manya. Itchy ye ding ding, or you come on pekasa. Min for this we can do, min bako no anase chacha. Omo amene wa mo sha sing na live better. Komo de mi amesra muti wa mubu me bega. Me ya sinto, omo no mo ye leather. Omo ye latest PS4, me ya Sega. And yes, be a machine. Or boys you were from 1 minute 30 seconds. Me the truck away songs. Now me the itchy keke pop skill in the toe me dawn. Me rap with my money to come send you more active porn. Whoosh, house. That's when I'm on the mic. Me rap when I'm no young now. Seki babo for night. 7 years underground. When am I going to see the light? See young for see that bang. Or music no be my life. We be some more my hit now. Or mo say da bala. Malam biti di adiasi wo ho. Young for the yagala. On that one say penina, one shesika, one shakwala. You juju ni ye cheap. Obano for na ya fala. Afe men come na ma mi timi di wo mechi. It's what you done and so make kameni. Now who see any haban na ye me say me yi. Na me wo se me somwa me nsre na me di. Minim se ma ye wo bone. Ti ye ja me sra wo. Me ko to dwegu gravels mo na me power chow.
Time up.
89.9 FM.
Okay, Arnold.
Yeah.
What is the time?
We did 3 minutes, 1 second, 73 microseconds.
Okay, so Ichi got to our time,
Yeah.
our required time. Okay, another breather, and we come for the final round.
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
Who made it who on the song, and of course that will be our last beat here for the rap bout on 89.9. Ladies and gentlemen, after this we are going to activate phone lines for some minutes for you to vote. You come in straight voting, you give us who you think won for the day. Meanwhile, we go to the professionals Hammer of the last two and Reggie Rockstone to also give us their verdict on who won the rap bout. So to the final round of the bout, Don Ichi against Prime Staff.
And now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Okay, so once again, we're coming back to you, Prime Staff. Double Rich, let's go.
Finish him.
Easy, baby.
Oh God, remember that. First step, Boba.
Finish him.
I'm from the school of hard knocks, me back go. Man, I bone see madam as ya kenam. A yosa gronding to come be medal. Me be a ball post na my out. If you know what happened, me what me don. Wabon, you be sent on a suicide mission. You cough, big head, small brain itchy. You bomb. I believe me, no separate. Yeah, me a or rap, on your F or rap. Me a drop or your force rap, no be by force. Me a royal fist or your move to Jimmy. I wouldn't or come move to me. Me rap a key and I brought food 2-edged sword. Make your cow set capital for fish. So I'm a man and I separate myself from the boy. Run to your house and what brave. Hang when you wash your goo. Who your dog? Mole. I feel them when you have him, yazo. More too much dream, yeah. One stuff. I'm it up. Word two. Mic check. I'm coming through. Yeah. Off late, everybody feel be rapper, so we bunch like a club. But still, we get difference between tilapia and kaku. Cause most of this is in my flow, be kaku. When I solve that homework, gotta go. Many are called, few are chosen, who be them? We know to see you on the list. Open the year. Show yourself, freestyle, make we all see my underground keys. Them all won't go overseas. How many punch, how many sick lines you fit spit? How many back shots, how many MCs you fit kill? How many tracks you get? How many studios you fit go? How many fans you get? How many shows you fit go? They know to see your hustle. If you make them, then go see who you call your friends, then they them might sit. Prime staff, yeah, what's up? Mic check, baba. Yeah, with the walk, with the talk, then things that we craze. With the smile, with the ball, then things that we haze. But watch out for my music, they can't blaze. Like the studio where you started from one place. More rappers than they claim to be alonte. I've been on my 9, I they chew them alonte. They say my mouth sharp, I they butcher them on every beat. Prime staff coming through. Vimy. What's up? Mic check. Yeah. Devilish. I'm out.
Okay, his name is Prime Stuff, and of course that is the final round here, and you heard it from the man Prime Stuff. Okay, so Arnold, how many minutes did we record for the final round for Prime Stuff?
Kako note. We did 2 minutes. We did 2 minutes, 11 seconds, 19 microseconds.
Okay,
yeah.
2 minutes,
11 seconds,
11 seconds,
19
microseconds.
Yeah,
okay, so for your information, Hammer of the Last Two and Reggie Rockstone, they are on the flip side doing their listening, and after that, we'll go to them first for their analysis and their verdict before we come back to you, the general public, to also do it your own way. So we're still moving on to the final round for Don Ichi. Yes, indeed. Get ready for him.
Now, for the thousands in attendance and the millions watching around the world. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
This is PLUZZ 89.9 FM.
Okay, so Don Ichi, let's go. Your instrumental and your rap.
Yeah, come at the actual. I'm not so fukra times when you blade at you to
Fatality.
That's what I say. Hardness, Bema Combo. Hey, rap on the back. Ichi won the MRC. Yo, many Ichi no. Mena me resa beat and it's a meeting no. Imagine the bombs are appear to the beat no. Refuse to be broke, set to beat no. Ube riame many abu the chief no. Ube try me, ube who says feet no. Me busu em na many the black sheep no. So ne, mena mi kura jeep no. Bridget otu pa ne hip no. Minyanka me yene jeans and the zip no. Kaya yoswa wo bag and the tape no. Who the way we happen now, mame chip no. Don. Tele mo, on preparation ho. And the Ghana will be on prediction ho. Best rapper award name me wish no. Pentecost boy, men jene weche ho. Mo de mon koso mon perebege ho. Me ya terabyte men jene gege ho. Ebani ludu musuwa mene sexe no. Ma Jamaica wood jene seat ho. Sapo kantan kan jene lift ho. School ne pa we had ya kan list no. Obe rush shata and your lips ho. Alright, John. Now I'm doing some of you. I'm going to take a crab at the Oba, no buy it. Yes, me that one thing. Yenny, you see, I can no why. So high, moving pick. Children's park, they lower. Between the baby, what they coming? I'm going to go now. Oh, nah. And you see, each one the MRC. Alright, John, Mwamunim, Wamakume Mupefe, Seba Rapo, dia, each me a dead. Over 60 battles, no lose, no draw. Why? Tina Sine drink carefully. Nasa wo frame me show, ne be a me jido. Nasa me pull up here, you go fi curse me. Min train here, tians and me yinya me yeah. No, my wukan you dey bless me. Me nyase kind to see how be who Peter. Me future your trouser, won't me nye nika. It's me a big chain FIFA. But then me can't say why? Who ya me Peter? I bro when so David don't talk. Who they rap for here? Nobody want talk. My leg break, I know the joke, so don't fuck. Prime, where you kitty man be pin post. Hey, and it's each one the MRC. Alright, so me person me mama town for CSM inside that. Nyaminti, I'm still standing. Boys person me nimu yafem. Nansu nyamiya so me mupam pace hanging. Me brand the man who me ye ni yasi ichi go take something. Me slap him wo yesu di mu and ya common slap. Me yiri mean same sa something. Boys person who say ichi da from flat. They one die me, ala carry you blast. Now I get level, na more than who a class. O condom me salad, the memoir with grass. And if you want the MRC, member padlock and I'm working. Rap anaba, alright, so we were Bim Gaddafi. Me rap unti shake Katuma Laji. Makalanta Majiwa Sama Yafi. Majiwa Sama Yafi. Joe, one gazongo balawo is cookie. Me rap on Abofina Munsoki. Me perform me via ya Munklosi. Uni ichi betra picture Mumposi. Me need the video, Muhu don't see. Class 1 rappers in Kuroni. Why? Mo the Munjoki. What the Eddie Pizza Benomu in COP. Done. Me born no more what I want to maintain as an air yo sa.
Okay, time up. Time up. Hey.
Yes, indeed.
Hey, hold it for us in the studio. Hold it. Adon. So obviously he did 3 minutes once again.
He did 3 minutes 80 microseconds.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so we're going to have Hammer and Reggie on the lines at the same time, and they will give us their verdict. And after that, we will put
prime stuff. Don Ichi. Shit. In fact, Menia J. Don Ichi or
Moha, Poppy, Father Moha.
Unye easy crajo.
I do more, Father.
Unye easy.
Father Moani, yes, you are more.
Unye easy.
Yes, sir.
For me, hands down, the winner is Don Ichi.
Reggie, I want you to say it again.
But the winner, hands down, is Don Ichi.
But Ichi did better than him today. So that's the consolation. So you have to go back to your books and come back hard.
My name is Sammy Flex, the Honorable. We have to say thank you. We'll give you another version of this bout, trust me. So anytime it is set, we will come here and announce the next set, which will do this. Sammy Flex is my name. God bless you for supporting us. We will bounce back on Monday. We out.
Yes, indeed. John my bow na wanana na feel your boss wagana na ha onu one the best wafana na shemiti waga 3 asana na rap the way babana na make a sasa asana na mukasa papa na subi bumu ya wow ya wanana na don your murder don your boy don your brother don my joy John a sweating your young boy the beats be leather wine a boy and you kiddy take it easy itchy feel with the master we be my wuta meduji mekushi klakusina puto Opla my tweet. Yeah, why you